So I've got my solar array and everything is running as expected. What are the typical maintenance considerations? Is there a maintenance schedule every so often it needs to be looked at? What's that look like?
The best way for me to answer that question is, what do I do with my solar array? I'm looking at my power production on my app, at least once a week, making sure that everything is operating. The app's telling me it is. Everything's solid state. There's no moving parts, so there's very little maintenance. So the one thing that I do every year that I would consider maintenance is clean them. You can have them professionally cleaned, pressure washer. But what I do, I've got a single story home, so it's very easy. I can literally stand in my yard with a hose with one of those Windex outdoor window sprayers, reach every single panel. You could see the suds and all the, and I usually do this about this time of year. I actually did mine like 2 weeks ago because it's pollen season in Central Florida. If you look at everything, it's coated in pollen. Your vehicles are coated in pollen. Every surface is coated in pollen. If you look at your solar panels, there's a film on there. And I've yet to be able to determine from my app whether or not my production is really, being affected by that pollen on there, but I could see it on there and intuitively it doesn't look good. So literally about a 45-minute job for me to clean my 32 panels with a hose and Windex hose end sprayer. And while I'm at it, I get all the exterior windows of the house to knock all that out. And that's about it until the next year.
Okay, nice.